Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Dr. Renario. Welcome to my PowerPoint presentation for modern approaches. To start with, let me ask a question. How learning is facilitated? Learning is facilitated where the students are encouraged to take more control of their learning process. Teacher's role becomes that of a facilitator and organizer, providing resources and support to the learners. Elements at work in the classroom. What is approach, method, procedure, and technique? Approach refers to the way a teacher considers content while deciding how to teach it. Method refers to the way a teacher ultimately decides to teach it. The next one will be the procedure, or the step-by-step measures to execute a method. The last one will be the technique, is the way an individual complies with a procedure. So those are the elements at work in the classroom. Now, what are the difference of traditional teaching and constructivism? Traditional teaching or teachers-centered. It is where the teacher is the authority, the teacher is the expert, teacher delivers knowledge, student receives only the knowledge, rigid rows of desks, so on and so forth. While constructivism or student-centered, teacher is the facilitator, teacher is the guide, students explores a range of sources, students has choices and say in what he learns. Learning activities and spaces are flexible, ongoing formative assessment, trust, and openness. Multiple Intelligences by Howard Gardner. There are many multiple intelligences by Howard Gardner. The first one is verbal linguistic intelligences. Well-developed verbal skills and sensitivity to the sounds, meanings, and rhythms of words. The next one will be the logical mathematical intelligence. It is the ability to think conceptually and abstractly and capacity to discern logical and numerical patterns. Spatial visual intelligence. Capacity to think in images and pictures to visualize accurately and abstractly. The next one is the bodily kinesthetic intelligence. Ability to control one's body movements and to handle objects skillfully. The next one is musical intelligences. The ability to produce and appreciate rhythm, pitch, and timbre. The next one is the interpersonal intelligence. It is the capacity to detect and respond appropriately to the moods, motivations, and desires of others. The next one is intrapersonal, the capacity to be self-aware and in tune with inner feelings, values, beliefs, and thinking processes. The next intelligence will be the naturalist intelligence, ability to recognize and categorize plants, animals, and other objects in nature. Next one is essentialist, or the existential intelligence, sensitivity and capacity to tackle deep questions about human existence, such as, what is the meaning of life? Why do we die? Or how did we get here? Those are the multiple intelligences by Howard Gardner. Let us proceed with the elements of cooperative learning. So there are 5 elements of cooperative learning, namely interpersonal and social skills, where students work together, trust each other, and resolve conflicts. The next one is promotive interaction. Students assess and interact with each other to solve problems. Another element of cooperative learning is the positive interdependence. Students work at cohesive groups to achieve shared learning objectives. Another one is individual accountability. Students do their best work, share ideas, and help group function efficiently. The last but not the least is the group processing. It is where reflecting on the learning process, the effectiveness of contribution of the members in the group improves. So those are elements of cooperative learning. Methods of teaching. So there are 8 methods of learning, namely role play, lecture method, discussion method, project method, unit method, survey method, inductive and deductive method, problem solving method are methods of teaching. Showing you the learning pyramid. In the learning pyramid, there were percentage on the pyramid like lecture, reading, audiovisual, demonstration, discussion, practice doing, teach others. So those are the step into new method of teaching. That would be all. I hope you enjoy my PowerPoint. Thank you.